So you're going through your pocket change and you see a coin that's kind of out of the norm. You're not really sure what it is, but after watching one of my videos, you see that you have a coin that's potentially worth thousands of dollars. Now imagine finding one of those coins and bringing it to a pawn shop and getting paid a few $100s when in reality, it's worth thousands of dollars. In this video, I'm going to be going over a few coins that sold for a lot of money that look like typical everyday coins that you could potentially find in your pocket that actually sold for a lot of money. So up first we have a 1955S 1 cent Lincoln coin here. Now this one was graded by PCGS, a mint state 62. You see a good amount of nicks and gashes on the coin. The condition is not the best, but it's still at a mint state grade. Remember, the highest grade we can get in grading is 70. And I'm not going to spend too much time on this coin, but the reason why it sold for $3,990 is because it was accidentally struck on a silver dime planchet. Hence the reason why it does not look copper bronze, but it looks like a silver dime planchet because that's what it was struck on. So typically you can see if you have one of these coins if it looks like a different color or if it weighs differently than it should. That's how you're going to know if it was accidentally struck on the wrong planchet. Now this is something that people are not really going to understand too much, but essentially it was authenticated by PCGS and AU58. Now this was authenticated as a war nickel type 1 blank planchet. Obviously we don't know the exact date, but it's anywhere between 1942 and 1945. They can tell by the weight of the coin, and also they have special machines that can break down the metal composition of this coin, allowing them to know what type of planchet it was struck on. And this little planchet sold for $1,020. And really quickly, what a planchet is it's the blank piece of metal that they use before they strike the coin and make the design of the coin. Really quickly, this is what copper small cent punched planchet strip looks like. So essentially they have a big sheet of metal and they punch through them, and this is the excess sheet metal. And as strange as that sounds, this little copper sheet is typically worth maybe a few dollars, but the fact that it came from the US Mint and it was authenticated by PCGS as genuine, it sold for $528. But let's jump into the next coin. So this is a 1950D 1 cent Lincoln coin. It is pretty beat up looking, right? That's why this was graded as an almost uncirculated 53 by PCGS. This coin sold for $1,440. Now this coin again was accidentally struck on a silver dime planchet. I love these types of errors. I don't know how they happen exactly, whether it was a complete accident or a US Mint employee did this on purpose. Regardless of the case, it did get out of the mint and into a collector's hands, and it sold for $1,440. Not going to spend a lot of time on this one, but this is a 1945 10 cent mercury dime. If you have a coin like this that's broad struck, meaning you see on the edge there's a lot of excess coin, it's going to sell for a lot more money. Typically these coins are not worth a lot, these mercury dimes, but because it's a broad struck error, this coin sold for $288. Hit that subscribe button, really just help out with future algorithms. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you in the next video.